from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. If you like our videos, make sure you like, subscribe and comment down below. As you could see in our previous videos guys, we rebuilt the evaporator of the LPG system. We drove the car around and unfortunately it's still bugging a little bit. So the next step was rebuilding the LPG injectors. Well, unfortunately this type of injectors cannot be rebuilt. So what we did is we ordered complete new ones. I will unpack them for you. Complete new ones. They are from a different brand, but they should be plug and play. So we will install these ones and then put them on the car. So we finished installing both injector reels. So now it's time to remove the old ones. It's the next day. Unfortunately we came to the conclusion that these injectors won't fit. So what we're going to do now is take out the old LPG injectors and try to take them all apart and see what's wrong with it, and maybe we can exchange some parts to still make it work. So stay tuned. What we're going to do now is unbolt the complete injectors and check if we can clean the inside out, and let's check how the springs are. And then it's now time to clean the injectors. Also again guys, with a little bit of diesel oil, because diesel cleans and also lubricates. so we cleaned every single part of the injectors. So now it's time to put it all together. Finished this side of the injector reel, cleaned it all nice up, so now it's time to put it back on the car. Side done, fork done, 4 to go, so let's head on to the other side. Everything is nice and clean, so it's time to assemble the reel again. Out the last reel, the last 4 injectors, so now it's time to put them on the car. got everything back together. So now it's time to get rid of all the tools, fill her up with a little bit of LPG, and hit the road, do a test drive, and see how she's doing. We are a few days down the road, and unfortunately the cleaning didn't help at all. Oh, so we spent like 2 hours or something on cleaning, and it didn't help. What we should have done is get some rebuild kit, but unfortunately they were not available. But we have some good news for you. As you can see, we finally got the red injectors on. We needed to do some adjustments. These injectors don't have a temperature sensor, so we needed to remove that from the LPG computer, otherwise it will think that it's not connected. And also the vacuum we need to disable on the computer, because the other system also needed to use a vacuum as well, and this system doesn't. She's purring like a kitten again. She got a lot of power, so we are happy people. And by the way guys, if you like our videos, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. Also make sure that your post notifications are on as well. See you in the next video.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.